Hello YouTubers, this is GQ Auto Diagnostics and Repair here with a new video. Working on 2005 Mazda 3 with a 2.3 4-cylinder engine and a stick shift, 5-speed manual transmission, and the customer want to replace the AC belt. Okay, so on this vehicle they're gonna put a new bumper here. So anyhow, if you have a Mazda with a stretch belt, probably some of you guys have some issues. One, reinstalling the belt. Some of the tools that are out there that you can rent or you can purchase in time, they don't do the best job. Friends, I have several tools here. I got this one doesn't work. This one is for a GM. It doesn't work really well on this stuff. It's too bulky. So and to remove it is not a big deal, because usually you just cut the old belt and done with it. But the customer on this occasion, he wants to keep the belt just to save it in case an emergency or something like that. So it's okay with me, but it's still, you know, gotta be able to remove it without cutting it in some situations, or just to replace the compressor and reinstall it again if your belt is good. Anyhow, all right, so here's the new belt, and I'm gonna show you how I do it, and I think it's fairly easy. So before I forget, if you're new to the channel, please like the video, comment, subscribe, and share the video if you get anything out of it. If you are already a subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. Smash that like button. Doesn't cost you anything and help me a lot. Well, without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, in this situation, the belt, like as I say earlier, is already out of the vehicle. Let me place the camera in a position that you guys are gonna be able to see. This is gonna be a shorter video. Probably it's gonna take me longer just to get the camera on the right place. Okay, so here we go. So when I install the belt, this type of belt can go either way. Personally, I like, when I look at the belt, I like to be able to read. Okay, so I'm kind of OCD on that part, no big deal. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna grab the belt, obviously install it there. The next thing you're gonna do, this is the tool that I made. Okay, haven't finished it yet, but I can install the belt and remove it with this, easy. So I'm going to install this. Right there, it's nice and snug. You can see it. Out of the way. Okay, next thing, you want to make sure you grab your extension, your socket here. The only thing you have to focus here is just make sure that the belt runs good on the compressor. Everything else, this little tiny tool is going to keep it in place. Ta-da! So there you have it. Easy. But all the other tools, you always, you know, it's a fight and it doesn't stay in place really well. This one is like, all right, done. Let's go one more revolution here. Well, let's rotate this crankshaft to make sure the belt is nice in place, which it is. Yep, it is. There you have it. Easy as that. Again, one more time, if you like the video, please smash that like button, comment, share the video, subscribe to the channel. I will really appreciate it. And if you would like me to film, record any particular repair, please leave it in the comment section below, and I will try to do my very best to do that. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. God bless. Do your best and forget the rest. Later.